Okay, so we start by writing this. I'm going to write it down here just for space-wise. Okay, so how do I get n by itself? Who needs to move? Plus 16 on both sides. Okay, and so we get n, the mouth thing, the alligator mouth. Okay, what is a negative 36 plus 16?
Negative 20.
Negative 20? Okay, and pause. Let's use some common sense. So it's saying my answer is negative 20. Okay, and I'm going to use this one. I know that before I even do number 3, that my answer should be somewhere between 3 and 13. How do I know that it's between 3 and 13?
It's the only numbers there.
That's the only numbers there, okay? If you draw a dot in at 100 and you draw your dot over here, is that right? We definitely know it's not right, okay? So, this has got to be a number somewhere on here, okay? So, for the signage, if it is like this, or like this, it's going to be a closed dot. Okay? If it's like this or like this, it's going to be an open dot. Okay, so we're going to go to the 20, and are we going to do an open or closed dot? We're going to do an open dot on negative 20. Okay, now, this trick, which I hate, I wish your teachers would have told you a long time ago. So the trick only works if the letter is on the left side. See how the letter's on the left side?
Yep.
So if it's going this way, you can kind of look. If you would pretend that like on the alligator mouth and you like draw an arrow, okay, or match it up, but the arrow is going to be going that way. Does that make sense? So if my thing was like this, which way am I going to draw the line?
On the right side.
Like this, okay? It goes in the like corner of the mouth. Okay, because if we go like this, does it make sense to do that? Does that look right? It does not look like an arrow, right? It looks like a backwards something or the other.
It looks
Okay.
like it's hard.
Yeah, so it needs to. So that kind of lets you know to turn it that way. Okay, so it's going to go like this. Okay, look at number 3. Look at number 3. Who needs moved? Negative 6. How do I move a negative 6? Plus 6. Okay, I'm going to write mine down here just because my marker only goes so little. If you can squeeze your little math up there, then go ahead. Okay, so we're going to say plus 6 and a plus 6. Okay, 4 plus 6
10.
is 10. Is 10 on our graph?
Yes.
Yeah, so then does that mean it's right?
Yeah. No.
Not necessarily, but it's a probably.
Good start.
Yeah, it's a good start, okay? It's not a guarantee, but we know it's probably close. Okay, is that going to be an open or closed dot?
Close.
Closed dot, good job. Which way is it going to be going?
Left. Right. Left.
Up.
Okay, which way is it going to be going?
Left.
It's going to be going this way, towards the left. I know, you can keep yelling it, Darren. It's not going to change anything. Okay, look at number 5. Look at number 5. Who needs moved?
Minus 10.
The minus 10. How do I move a minus 10?
Plus 10.
Plus 10. Plus 10. Okay, negative 8 plus 10? 2. Okay, on the 2, is that going to be open or closed?
Close.
It is going to be a closed dot on 2. Which way is it going to go?
Going
Right.
towards the right.
Towards the right. Good job. Dang. Okay, look at number 17. Okay, here's where the rules change just a tad. Okay, here's the rule. If you multiply or divide, what?
Multiply or divide.
Multiply or divide by a negative number, we have to flip the sign. Okay? So here's what I mean by flip the sign. Okay, if it's going this way, the alligator mouth's going this way, then after I multiply or divide, it's going to be going this way. Okay, it switched from eating this way to eating this way. Okay, if it's like this, it's going to go this way. Okay, we never like add or take away the line underneath. Does that make sense? Okay, so the reason I tell you that is because 17, what needs done?
Need to divide.
Yeah, we're gonna divide by what?
Negative 17.
-17. Okay, so if you just divide by +17, you don't have to flip the sign. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna divide by -17. Divide by -17. So my thing's gonna look like this. Instead of eating this way,
Eat the other way.
he's gonna go this way. What is -153 divided by -17?
Positive 9.
+9, somebody agree? Yes? No?
Yeah.
Okay, how do we know if that's maybe right?
If the number 9 is on the graph.
If it's on the line, okay? If it's not on the line, it's not it. Okay, so we're gonna do our dot. Open or closed?
Close.
Closed dot. Which way is it going?
The right.
To the right. How do you know it's going to the right?
You couldn't look at the long.
Whichever way it's pointing.
Okay, but if and only if what?
X on the left.
If the letter is over here on the left side. If the letter's here, then the rule does not work. You have to like figure out how to read it. Okay? That only works if the letter is on this side. Okay, look at number 9. Who needs moved?
4.
The 4. How do I move that 4?
I'm gonna multiply.
Times both sides by 4. Times both sides by 4. Times by 4. -12 times 4?
Negative 48.
-48. Okay, do we need to flip the sign?
Yes.
Ooh.
Yes.
You said divide or multiply, right?
Do we need to flip the sign? Okay, we did say when we multiply or divide by what?
A negative.
A negative number. So, what did we multiply or divide by?
Negative 12.
No, positive 4.
+4. Okay, so even though the 12 is negative, and even though the 48, those numbers were already there. We didn't do that. We multiplied by 4. Okay, is that 4 positive or negative?
It's positive.
It's positive, so we do not flip the sign. Okay, the 17 had to be negative. Okay, the 4 had to be negative. Okay, so we do not flip the sign. It's gonna be like that. Okay, is that gonna be open or closed dot?
Close.
Closed dot. Going which way?
Right.
To the right. Okay, look at 11. Who needs moved?
Negative 16.
-16. How do I move that?
I'm gonna divide.
We're gonna divide by -16. Okay, do we flip the sign or not?
Divided by negative.
Yes, because the 16 is negative. What is -48 divided, or no, 48 divided by -16?
Negative 3.
-3?
Yeah.
Okay, on the -3, is that gonna be open or closed?
Close.
Closed dot going which way?
Right.
Left.
Dun, dun, dun.
It would be going to the right.
It is going towards the right, okay? It will go towards the left if you forgot to flip, though. Okay, so when we forget to flip our sign, it does not change the dot, okay? Our dot is still gonna be at -3 regardless, okay? When we forget to flip the sign, okay, before it was going towards the left, and then once we flipped it, it's going towards the right. So if you forget to flip, it's not the end of the world, because like your answer is still kind of right, but not at the same time. Ooh. Okay, you're gonna cross off number 13, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Look, you guys lucked out today. All the ones with parentheses. We haven't done those yet. Anything with parentheses. If they have parentheses, we're crossing them off. Anything that has parentheses, you should be crossing off. So look at them. Do they have the parentheses? If so, cross it off. Okay, look at 15. Who is the kid? These are two steps. So who's the kid? The 9. How do I move that 9?
We can multiply.
We're going to multiply both sides by 9. Okay? So I'm getting P plus 6 and negative 9. Do I need to flip my sign?
No.
No. What did we multiply by?
A positive number.
Positive 9. Okay? Even though my answer ended up being negative 9, the 1 was negative. Okay, we multiplied by, it says times 9. Okay? Okay, then who needs moved? 6. How do I move a plus 6? Minus 6. Minus 6. Negative 9 minus 6?
Negative 15.
Negative 15. Okay, on the 15, is that going to be open or closed?
Closed.
Closed. Okay, where is the 15 located?
Between the 16 and 14.
Okay, so between the 14 and the 16. So once you start going negative, it's kind of like, not backwards, but you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's going another, so it's going to be right here. Okay, and then is it going to be going towards the left or towards the right?
Towards the right.
Towards the right, so it's going this way. You don't understand what?
Okay, how do I understand more of this more than the other papers that we've been doing?
Oh, I don't know. Some subjects, it's all algebra, so some subjects, their papers are really easy for some kids, and then other ones they're struggling, and then the next day someone will be like, oh, I'm really good at this one, and then they suck at something else, and it's just the way it is.
Oh, I'm over here tweaking. I have no idea what
Okay, look at 17. Who is the kid?
2.
The minus 2. How do I move a minus 2?
Plus 2.
We're going to plus 2 and plus 2. Okay, so I get A over 2. And then negative 5 plus 2
Negative 3.
is negative 3. Okay, and then who needs moved?
2.
The 2. How do I move that 2?
I'm gonna multiply.
Times both sides by 2. Times by 2. We get A and a negative 6. Okay, is that going to be open or closed dot?
Close.
It's going to be a closed dot. Which way is it going to be going?
The right.
Towards the right. Okay, number 19. Number 19, who is the kid?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. How do I move a minus 4?
Plus 4.
Yeah, we're going to plus 4 and a plus 4. Okay, so I get R over 4 and a negative 1. Okay, and then what needs done? Times 4 on both sides. We're going to say times 4 and times 4. So we get R and a negative 4. Okay, is that going to be open or closed?
Close.
Closed dot. Which way is she going? To the left. Okay, 21. Who needs moved?
Plus 5.
The plus 5. How do I move a plus 5? Minus 5, minus 5. So I get V over 3. And that's a negative 3. Can we all not hear it? Okay, thank you. Okay, and then what? He's done. Times 3 and times 3. Okay, on that, it's going to be open or closed?
Open.
Open. Going which way?
To the right.
Right.
To the right.